In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Dreamweaver site to a new computer. We'll move both your site settings and your actual files so everything opens and works the same on your new machine. The process has two parts: exporting your site definition as a .ste file and copying your local root folder that contains all your project files. Start by launching Dreamweaver on your current computer. This is where your site is already set up. Once it's open, go to the top menu and choose Site, then Manage Sites. This panel is the control center for all the sites Dreamweaver knows about. Select the site you want to move from the list. If you have several sites with similar names, take a moment to pick the one you actively use. With the site highlighted, click Export. Dreamweaver will generate a .ste file, which is the site definition. It stores your site's settings like local folder paths, server details, testing server options, and more. Treat this file carefully because it can include connection information. Keep it secure and don't share it publicly. When prompted, save the .ste file to a location you'll easily access later. A removable drive, a synced cloud folder, or even your local site folder are all fine choices. Give the file a clear name so you'll recognize it on the new computer and wait for any cloud sync to finish before moving on. Next, copy the entire local root folder for your website from the old computer. This is the folder that contains your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and any other assets. Be sure to copy everything, including hidden files like htaccess if they exist, so your site behaves the same. Paste this folder onto a removable drive or directly to the exact location you want on your new computer. Keeping the same folder name is helpful, but not strictly required. On the new computer, open Dreamweaver and go back to Site, then Manage Sites. Click Import, then browse to the .ste file you exported earlier and select it. Dreamweaver will add the site to your list with all its settings. If you're prompted to confirm the local site folder, point Dreamweaver to the copy of the site folder you just transferred. This ensures all paths line up correctly. Finally, when Dreamweaver asks if you trust the imported site's root folder and files, choose to trust them. This is a security step that enables features like code hints and processing. You should now see your site in the Files panel, ready to edit just like before. Keep the .ste file as a backup, and you're all set.